So this,
parang ginawa natin sa air nun.
oo, so this located at Parañaque.
Iba ulit. O, may ano. As of
So dito tayo sa construction update Eagle Residences. Here at Sukat, Parañaque. It is just across Terminal 1. So this is the construction update as of May 2024. As you can see, almost done na siya. Yan, good. And that is the construction update. Guys, pupunta tayo sa construction site in Golden Nexus to give you an update for the construction. So, nakikita natin kung gaano naka-down na yung nagawa natin. So, let's go guys.
Granite countertop, overhead cabinets, no? Book up like even the same. Dito lang po lahat. The washing machine will be again, i-reso provision, but i-reso excess delivery. Okay? So may washing dito dahil so everything are, you check the actual deliverable as well. Kamukha siya nung sa phase 2. Okay? So, yeah, even yung salamin, yung vanity light natin, door sitting tiles, even the price of the tiles that will be delivered as is. Kamukha dito sa list natin na model unit. Okay? So, lahat po yung accessories doon, deliverable na yan. Ang hindi lang sa concentrate sa showroom is yung lalagyan ng shampoo, hindi kasali. Pero lahat ng nandito sa list na to, deliverable lahat yun.
Now we're here at the roof deck of Gold Residences. Now, as you can see guys, grabe yung view! Woo! Tapat talaga siya ng airport. Kasi kitang-kita dito from the roof deck yung airport. Ayan siya. That's the airport. Yung nandito ko tapos pinapanood mo mag-landing yung mga airplane. The rest. Ganda ng view.